Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'll be doing a quick trade recap. So I didn't do my trade recap for Friday, so I'll be recording that as well as the trade I took today. So Friday I took a win, finally the first win of March. Luckily it was not that bad of a losing streak, but why I took this trade was because where is it? Because we had this 4 hour gap right here. This 4 hour gap right here, we were still holding this gap, and I originally wanted to look for short, but why I didn't take this was because we was holding this 4 hour gap and we closed bullish within this 4 hour gap. What do I see happening with that 4 hour close? That 4 hour closure sweeps these highs kind of with a break structure, then a 5 minute candle closure this rally up, inverse 2 5 minute gaps, and what I see, this beautiful OTE setup right here, take it from like close to 0.71 and the CE from that gap. This is basically the trade I took. I didn't take free, our trade just took something like 2.6, and basically this is the trade I took. Quick little win right there. And the trade I took today was a long as well. Why I longed instead of shorted today was because I'll show you the trade first. This is the trade I took on the 15 minute 1 to 2 RR like this. This was a trade I took. So why I longed instead of shorted was because on the 8 hour I saw that we took out major liquidity, and what I knew from last time was that Monday had a big sell-off. We leave an end walk and it's pretty likely to trade towards the new week opening gap. So that was one thing I had in mind. Another thing that I realized is that sweeping these liquidity points does give some sort of reaction, and I saw that through the price action from Monday. So that was why I was anticipating more longs than shorts. What I see on the lower time frame, I see us holding some bullish structure on these lower time frames as well. I see this 15 minute OTE setup below these lows, with this OTE lined up with 0.718 beautifully. What happens is that we sweep this high right from New York Open. Why I still validated this short long was because we did not close below this. We did not close below these lows with a break of structure, but we just swept in as a liquidity sweep. What I see is that what I saw is that these gaps like fill this and then manipulate higher, and that's basically the trade I took. Yeah, and then we did chop around quite a bit, but eventually I stayed in the trade. Took a bit of time, I think like an hour or so, an hour. Yeah, took like an hour, but eventually it did hit TP. So yeah, overall, not too shabby trade. Happy about the trade, and yeah, that's basically today's trade recap. Not a lot for me to be yapping about, but took 2 wins. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about these two trades, comment down below. I will reply to every comment that people send. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.